So I just got to wash my face with a charcoal and lavender mask. And my face feels really good. Kind of got a little bit in my edges, but that's all right. We're going to take these braids out soon. I ain't going to have no edges. You said it don't pull all the way back. Yeah, I need to hurry up before I be bald-headed. But, I can feel my face. It feels very much lighter. I can feel that it's clean. Not like, oh, I wipe my face in the shower type clean. It's like literally feels oilless. It's not dry necessarily, but I can tell the difference now compared to before I washed my face. My face was very, very, very oily. And as you guys can see, I am going through a little bit of a skin situation. Right up in here, I am breaking out excessively. Down here, I'm breaking out. And I actually have moles in my face. These are not blackheads. I have some moles. And I also have freckles, which you barely can recognize right now because I'm bumped up. So, I bought that in the scrubber. I will actually link it down below because it's in the bathroom and I can't get in the bathroom right now. But I am about to utilize this new product called Vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. I think I didn't pronounce that correctly, but whatever. It's by Pearl Essence. It's a black bottle. It's really cute too. I'm definitely going to repurpose this bottle when I'm done with it because it's just cute. It's supposed to help clear up the dark spots, like up in here, and the ones that you're left with when you pop pumps, like here. Not here, those are normals, but here and up in this area, you can see some dark marks, and over here. So we're gonna try this product. I bought 2 bottles, so I'm gonna do this. It says drop a few drops into your palm of your hand, smooth onto cleansing face and neck. Can be used along or under moisturizer. Caution: avoid contact with eyes. Do not use it broken skin. So my skin is bumped up, but it's not broken. I've been trying not to bust my pimples and things of that sort in my face for the past couple of days because I want to start this routine. The charcoal and lavender scrub, you can only use 3 times a week. So I use today, which is Sunday, so I won't use it again until Tuesday. And then again on Thursday. And then I'll be done until next Sunday. This, however, I will be using nightly. I'm going to do about 3 drops and rub into my face. And then in the morning, I will be using cold pressed black seed oil. Believe it or not, I swear by this, which is why it looks the way it does, because I use it a lot. I actually had to use it on my scalp. I haven't had braids in a while, and my scalp broke out. And I was able to use this, and it actually cleared it up really, really quickly. But unfortunately, this heals like I don't want to say infections, like fungus, bacteria, things of that sort. So it helps with the face, but you also need something to go with it. So that is why we bought the vitamin C to go with it to nourish my face. So yeah, let's get this started. So don't mind my camera stuff right now. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be weird. I'm gonna use his teddy bear. I'm sorry, his pillow. So we're gonna sit you right under BB-8. So we're gonna open this up. As you can see, right now there's really nothing in the tube except for the tips. So I'm gonna squeeze one more time. Okay. So I'm gonna do 1 squirt. I definitely want to get around my cheek lines because I swear I think I have like dark lines right here because I frown so much. But the ones up here, I think they come from excessive stress and worryation. And believe it or not, I'm not stressed about the things that you would think I would be stressed about. I be stressed about other people's problems, not mine. Because I like, everybody got problems. But mine be like, I be just about people problems that like, how am I supposed to fix your problems? Why are you keep telling me? So, now I have that on my face for the night. And you really can't even tell it's there. You don't wash it off. So in the morning is when I will really wash it, because in the morning I will be washing my face again and doing a daily mist to keep it hydrated and moisturized. My biggest problem is I can't stop touching my face. Help me out.